Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a warmed engine and safety. Gloves, neutral, kill, switch on. Once warmed, remove the airbox or muffler path so you can see the compression release actuator. Make sure to identify whether your bike uses a screw-style release, tappet, or cable actuation. This is crucial because the adjustment method changes. You'll start by setting the piston at top dead center on the compression stroke. That gives you a repeatable baseline for the first actionable adjustment. You now make the controlled adjustments. Start with 1/8 to 1/4 turn changes and test crank between moves. This small step approach prevents over-release or binding. Once done, you'll look for a smoother kickover and a consistent compression spike rather than a harsh hit. That shows the release is opening at the intended RPM. Make sure to recheck clearances and any locking nuts. If it's cable actuated, fine-tune the free play so the mechanism returns fully between kicks. You finish by fully reassembling components and running the bike through idle, low RPM, and a few short throttle blips to confirm behavior under load. Once satisfied, torque fasteners to spec and document the final setting for future reference. If things go wrong, stubborn hard starting, no change, or rough compression spikes, stop and recheck piston position at top dead center, valve timing, and the release clearance. Often a misset TDC, or loose locking nut, is the single.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.